Hey, what are you doing?
Well, I'm just at the house hanging out.
Oh, hey, listen, I was on my way to that 4th of July party, and I realized I forgot my wallet because I need to get gas. So,
I'll bring it to you.
you'll bring it to me? No, that's okay. I'm getting ready to pull into the driveway. I needed to,
Why didn't you just call for it? Why are you coming back to the house?
because wasn't that far away. So I'm just coming back to the house. I'm gonna grab my wallet.
No, that's fine. I'll run out to you.
Okay, no, I can get it. It's fine. I have 2 legs. I can walk.
No, that's fine. I'll bring it to you to the car so you can get out. It's hot outside.
Yeah, it is hot. Why the hell don't you want me to get in the house?
No, it's just I'm being nice. It's hot outside. You know, it's like 100 degrees. That way you can stay in the AC. I'll bring it to you.